Epcot today.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors
It's over 30 degrees.
your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas.
Do you feel a bit sorry for the service dogs? They must be used to it.
Epcot golf ball. Spaceship Earth.
Mañana entro a las 5, pero el viernes voy a entrar a las 3.
Queue for Guardians of the Galaxy. Small.
Souvenir from the treasures of Santa. I can assure you that my wares are of the highest quality.
I'm going to Starbucks.
Are welcome.
I am Groot.
Oh, that's
Big
very
food. What's that one? Wow. That's cool.
These can move as well. I think I got
The
it.
Thanos.
Ah, lovely to look at, lovely to hold.
Can I try and wear this?
Yeah, well, don't drop it though. Hold it.
Look,
What's that bit for?
put it on like that and then get down to your picture. There.
Take a picture now.
Feel free to browse my wares. There is something for every taste.
You love what? Goats. Oh, you love goats? Where's Valentino? Well, Valentino's actually roaming around this kingdom right now. Yeah, so Valentino likes to do something called, I think you call it snacking around the world here. He loves to go and try all the yummy treats and all the yummy foods. Usually he loves to try sweet things, so he'll be in France trying all the macaroons, all the different flavors.
Yes,
So,
I like sweet things.
Do you really?
Yes.
Well, if you're
yes.
walking around and you see the cutest little ghost with yellow pajamas, it's probably Michael Valentino. You should
give him a
stop and
cuddle.
say hi,
Give him
give him a little
cuddle.
cuddle, and
That'd
maybe
be
share
lovely.
some cookies with him.
Oh yeah.
His favorite are chocolate chip cookies. So if you find a cookie stand, you
Oh,
might
we got
be
chocolate chip cookies.
Do you
around,
really?
Yeah.
Then that's
we will look out
perfect.
for them. Absolutely.
Then absolutely. But before you stop and say hi to Valentino, you want to snuggle for a picture? Come on over, Jim. Your big smile.
Perfect. Look right over at that phone first. Awesome, and right over at me. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3.
Perfect. Can I give you a big hug? Oh, let me
Nice
know
to meet
you,
you.
Valentino.
You're beautiful.
Oh, you're beautiful too. Oh, do you mind holding on to that for me, Star? Thank you.
Awesome. You're all set.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Yep. Yep. Wow.
Yeah.
There's nothing really outside. Isn't it? Nothing really outside this place. It's not. Certainly is.
Look at the volcano up to
Mexican experience. It's called San Angel Inn. San Angel Inn. San Angel. San Angel, isn't it? San Angel. San Angel Inn.
That's a proper margarita. Cheers!
So this is enchiladas. Chicken in it.
Double mine. Mine's the shrimp. I actually love that one too. That one's beautiful. It's the Mexico and the... Isn't that lovely? Yeah. I would love that one too. I think that's what filled my prawns. It's something like that.
Yeah, all spices. These are all handmade.
She's doing a snake.
There's the Norway section.
I'm such a
Yeah. Zombie Park, Epcot. Bring what? Bakery Cafe. Like it's in here. Alright. Carrot cake, whippy sandwich. It's a caramel carrot cake whippy pie.
Caramel push, that's
In there.
what this original shop.
With the original shop. Right, but it's caramel coochie, is that name it? That's how it's pronounced one. Caramel coochie.
Yeah.
Coochie. Caramel coochie.
Christmas shop.
Yeah, see
Oh,
that?
so it's a Christmas shop. You getting a beer then? You have a good taste when you get a beer. Oh my god, I'm into slip football.
Wow, shit. Cookie pie. Carrot cake.
I would love it. Look at that. Jack. Well, when I